Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with our chapter number 5 from the book Beehive, okay, and the name of the chapter is The Snake and the Mirror, okay. So this is very interesting, very humorous story, okay, and in today's video we will solve the questions, okay. So let's begin. Question first, answer each questions below in a short paragraph, okay. So the first question is, the sound was a familiar one. What sound did the doctor hear? What did he think it was? How many times did he hear it? When and why did the sounds stop, okay. So first of all, we are given with one sentence from the chapter and the sentence is, the sound was a familiar one, okay. And now the questions are, first of all we have to tell that what sound did the doctor here, okay. Secondly, what did he think it was, okay. Next, how many times did he hear it? And last, when and why did the sounds stop, okay. So let's see the answers. The doctor heard the sound of a snake trying to crawl down the floor when he opened the door, okay. So what was the sound? Actually it was the sound of a snake, okay. And when the snake was trying to crawl down the floor, and when the doctor he opened the door, okay, he thought the sound is of the rats because the room in which he lived was full of rats, okay. But the doctor he thought that it is a quite familiar sound because according to him the sound is of the rats, okay, because the room in which he used to live was full of rats, okay. So उनको लगता है कि जिस तरह से यहाँ जनरली आती रहती हैं रैट्स की आवाज़, ये वैसी ही आवाज़ है. So for him it was a familiar sound, okay. He heard the sound thrice, okay. So how many times did he hear the sound? So he heard the sounds 3 times, okay. The sound stopped suddenly after the doctor heard a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. It was the snake who finally fell on the floor, okay. Finally वो आवाज़ कब रुक जाती है? It stopped suddenly after the doctor heard a dull thud, okay. So finally एक थड की आवाज़ आती है as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground, okay. और वो थड की आवाज़ क्यों आती है? Because it was the snake who finally fell on the floor, fell on the ground, okay. Next question, what two important and earth-shaking decisions did the doctor take while he was looking into the mirror, okay. So in this question we have to tell about the two decisions that was so important and earth-shaking, okay. And when did the doctor he took the decisions while he was looking into the mirror, okay. So let's see the answer. The two important and earth-shaking decisions taken by the doctor while he was looking into the mirror were, so let's see the first one, he would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome because he was after all a bachelor and a doctor, okay. So the first important decision was that he would shave daily, okay, and he will grow a thin mustache, okay. Why? Because he wanted to look more handsome as he was after all a bachelor and a doctor, okay. And the second one was that he would always keep attractive smile on his face, okay, to look more handsome, okay. So for the doctor he was having very attractive smile, okay. So he decided that always he will have that attractive smile on his face because he wanted to look more handsome, okay. Next question, I looked into the mirror and smiled, says the doctor. A little later he says, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. What is the doctor's opinion about himself when first he smiles and second he smiles again, okay. In what way do his thoughts change in between and why, okay. So in this question, first of all, let's see, we are given with two sentences from the chapter. The first one is, I looked into the mirror and smiled, right. Second is, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself, okay. So we have to tell that वो first time कब smile करते हैं, second time कब smile करते हैं, and उनके जो दोनों के बीच में जो changes थे उनके thoughts के, right, वो changes क्यों होते हैं, okay. So let's see the answer. First, when the doctor first smiles, he admires his good looks and his profession, right. He thinks he is having attractive smile, okay. So for the first time when the doctor he smiles, so he was having this kind of feeling that he is into a very good profession, right? उनको अपने आप को एक डॉक्टर होने पे भी उनको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, okay? And he was admiring his good looks, okay? And he thinks that he is having quite attractive smile, right? Second is when he smiles again, he actually smiles at his stupidity and poor situation, okay? And the second time when the doctor was smiling, so this time he was smiling on his own foolishness, on his own stupidity, okay? His thoughts changed after his encounter with the snake, okay? And why his thoughts changed? Because when he was having one encounter with the snake, so that encounter changed the doctor's thoughts, okay? Next question. This story about a frightening incident is narrated in a humorous way. What makes it humorous? Think of the contrast it presents between dreams and reality. Some of them are listed below, okay? So as we all are aware that this is a humorous story. Humorous means funny, okay? तो इसको बहुत ही comical way में लिखा गया है and इसमें बहुत ही frightening incident है because encounter with a snake, right? ये बहुत ही frightening incident है, बहुत ही frightful experience है, right? But it is narrated in a very comical way, in a very humorous way, right? So we have to tell that what are the things that make it humorous, okay? And then we are given with some things and we have to create the contrast. We have to tell the contrast, okay, that is there between dreams and reality, okay? So let's see. First is the kind of person the doctor is, okay? And we have to discuss about money and possessions, okay? So let's see. We can clearly see the contrast between the lifestyle of the doctor and his high opinion of himself, okay? So yes, there is the contrast between the reality and the doctor's dreams, okay? So actually में reality क्या थी डॉक्टर की, okay? और वो किस तरह की ड्रीम देखा करते थे, तो yes, there is one contrast. His financial condition is not at all good, okay? He lives in a small rented room with plenty of friends living in it, okay? So we can say that yes, उनकी financial condition ज़्यादा अच्छी नहीं थी because the room in which he was living was quite small. It was a rented room and it was not electrified, right? And it was full of rats, okay? He had just started his medical practice. He had about 60 rupees in his suitcase, okay? Along with some shirts and dhotis, he possessed one solitary black coat, okay? So ये उनका entire possession था, right? इसके अलावा उनके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, okay? Second is the kind of person he wants to be, okay, in appearance and in ambition, okay? So let's see. He wants to have an attractive appearance. He considers himself an eligible bachelor, okay? So he actually wanted to look more and more handsome, right? अपने physical appearance को लेके he was very much aware, okay? And he used to consider himself as an eligible bachelor, okay? He is full of appreciation for his looks and profession. The way he praises his looks, his smile and profession adds an element of humor in the story, okay? और जिस तरह से वो अपने looks को admire करते हैं, अपने profession की that yes he is a doctor उसे admire करते हैं, all these things make this story more and more humorous. Clear? Next is the person he wants to marry, okay? So let's see what was his ambition about his future wife. The doctor wants to marry a woman with good medical practice and a lot of money, okay? So the doctor, he was having these opinions about his future wife that he should be a doctor, okay? He should be having a very good medical practice, okay? And he should be having a lot of money. Clear? He wants her to be fat so that she would not be able to run after him and catch him when he will make any silly mistakes, okay? And one more condition that was there in his mind was that her future wife should be quite fat. Why? So that she would not be able to run after him, okay, and catch him when he will make any silly mistakes, okay? So ये उनकी aspiration थी about his future wife, okay? Now we have to tell that the person he actually marries, right? जो actual में उनकी wife है वो actual में कैसी है? Let's see. He marries a thin reedy woman who could run like a sprinter, okay? So अब जो उनकी wife है वो बिल्कुल भी fat नहीं है. She is quite thin, she is quite reedy and she is having the gift of an sprinter, right? वो एक sprinter की तरह भाग सकती हैं. She is able to run very fast, okay? Next question, next is his thoughts when he looks into the mirror. Okay, so let's see. He is full of self admiration when he looks into the mirror. He decides to grow thin mustache and keep smiling always as he finds his smile quite attractive. Okay, so when the doctor, he was looking into the mirror, he was admiring his appearance. Okay, then he decided that he will grow thin mustache, okay, to look more and more handsome, and he will always have the attractive smile, right? Because according to him, his smile was very much attractive. Okay, now his thoughts when the snake is coiled around his arm. Okay, so let's see. When the snake coiled around his arm, he turned to a stone. He kept sitting there holding his breath. He smiled at his foolishness and stupidity, as he was a doctor but he did not have any medicines in his room to cure the snake bite. Okay, so this time when he was smiling, so he was smiling, why? He was smiling on his own foolishness, on his own stupidity. Why? Because he was a doctor but still he was not having any kind of medicine that can cure the snake bite. Okay, so now he was sitting there just like a stone. Okay, and he was just holding his breath. Okay, so this is the contrast, okay, जो present किया गया है very beautifully, and this contrast is able to make this chapter, to make this story more and more humorous. Okay, so students, we have completed all the questions. I hope the chapter, story, the question answers, everything is clear to you all. Okay, and in the next video we will start reading with our next poem. So see you in the next video. Thank you.